Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Easy English with Asa. So my name is Asa and in this video I will tell you something. You will never be able to speak English if you only keep watching English video and listen to English and learning English. If you don't start speaking English, you will never be able to speak English. If you really want to learn English, you have to start speaking. Even if you speak wrong, but speak. You have to practice, you have to learn by speaking. Maybe you will make mistakes in the beginning, that's okay. First, start with your mistakes, then slowly you can correct them. But you have to start. If you can speak only a little English, speak that little English. If you are making mistake, that's okay. Just start speaking. Because you learn English by speaking. You cannot learn to speak English by only watching and listening. You have to speak. You have to start speak. You have to start speaking again and again. I also don't know English perfectly, but whatever English I know, I speak. I have started speaking English and now I'm learning English by speaking again and again. I know that I make many mistakes. I know that I make many mistakes. Sometimes I use wrong word, sometimes I use wrong grammar. But I am slowly learning. I know that one day I will become a very good English speaker. Right now I am a beginner, so I make mistakes. But I will learn from this mistake. Because if I make mistake, I can find my mistake and correct them. And one day while learning from my mistakes again and again, I will start speaking correctly. This is how I'm learning English. And if you also want to learn from my English learning journey, so please subscribe to my channel. We will learn to speak English together. We will make mistake together. We will correct them together. We will learn English together. You can also become a part of my journey by subscribing to my channel. This is how I'm learning English. I watch English video, I listen to English, then I practice speaking. I record my video and upload them on YouTube, just like I'm doing in this video. I spoke, I recorded this video and upload it. This is how I learn English. I learn something, then I practice it and I share my learning journey on my YouTube channel. I hope you like my learning journey and thank you so much for watching my video. See you in the next video.